Welcome to the subject Computer Fundamental. At present, we are studying commonly used output devices. Okay, earlier we have studied monitor and dot matrix as output devices. Today we shall study the two printers, that is inkjet printers and laser printers as output devices. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer are character printers that form characters and images by spraying small drop of ink on a paper. The print head of an inkjet printer contains up to 64 tiny nozzles. Students, many of you might have seen inkjet printer. Okay, the inkjet printer is also a character printer, that is, it prints one character at a time, similar to dot matrix printer, but the technology here is different. Here character is printed by spraying ink through the small nozzles, and there are 64 small nozzles in the print head. Point number 4. To print a character, the printer selectively hits the appropriate set of nozzles as the print head moves horizontally. Point number 4. As the resolution is around 300 dots per inch. Students, okay, when you want to print a character, the shape of the character should be available. So appropriate nozzle among those 64 nozzles will be heated and ink will be sprayed on the paper. And its resolution is quite good. There are 300 dots per inch, which is supposed to be good quality. Now you can see this inkjet printer. It is available on everybody's table wherever there is computer, because it gives good quality. It is available in our laboratory also. When you come to college, you can see this inkjet printer containing this. Point number 5. It uses a pattern of dots and hence can print any character, shape or figure. Point number 6. Inkjet printers are non-impact printers and hence cannot produce multiple copies of document in single printing. Students, you very well know there are tiny nozzles. Every nozzle, okay, puts a ink and the character is formed by tiny dots. And inkjet printers are non-impact printers. That means the print head doesn't hit, as in case of the dot matrix printer. So in inkjet printer, as it is non-impact printer, you cannot produce more number of copies at a single printing. You can have only one copy. Point number 7. Inkjet printers are both monochrome, that is black and white, and color. Point number 8. Their printing speed range is from 40 to 300 characters per second. Students, inkjet printers are of two types. One is, it can be black and white, called as monochrome, or it can be color. You can get color characters printed. And the speed is 40 to 300 characters per second. Okay, so different from dot matrix printer, where you have got only black and white printer. Point number 9. They are costlier than dot matrix printer. Students, you very well know, when the quality is good, cost is going to be on higher side. Next, we will take up laser printers. This point number 1. Laser printers are page printers that print one page at a time. Laser printers use laser beam technology. Students, you know laser technology is applied everywhere. So also is the case in the computer printing. So laser printer uses laser beam technology and they print one page at a time. Okay. Earlier we have studied that dot matrix printer and inkjet printers produce one character at a time. Point number 3. They form characters by tiny ink particles, hence can form any character or shape or graphics. Students, as you know, even the laser printer uses tiny ink particles, hence any shape can be generated or printed. Point number 4. Their graphics, their resolution is high, that is 600 dots per inch to 1200 dots per inch, and hence the excellent quality. Students, when the resolution is high in case of printing, quality would be good. So resolution is something in the range of 600 dots per inch or 1200 dots per inch. A laser printer, you can see here in this figure, you might have seen in many printing shops it is available. At individual level it is bit costly. So at organization level such printer is available. You can go to any typing shop or Xerox shop and see such printer. Point number 5. Laser printers are non-impact printers and hence cannot produce multiple prints at a time. Students, these laser printers are classified as non-impact printers. So naturally they will print only single page at one printing speed, at one printing instance. Laser printers are faster in printing speed. Point number 7. Laser printers are better in quality and printing speed. Students, laser printer as it uses laser technology, it is very fast in case of printing, and printing quality is much better because of the higher resolution. Point number 8. The only drawback is that they are more expensive. Students, you very well know, once again I tell you, when the quality is going to be at higher side or good quality, the cost is going to be at higher side. So laser printers being good quality printers, the cost is high. And today we will stop here as far as printers is concerned, and in the next class we will take up next output device. You please write this in your notebook, if possible draw the figures, and if you got anything you can give me a call. Thank you.